Hey everyone, this is Jovi, your guide to making smart moves in the market without the Wall Street jargon. If you've been watching the news today, then you've probably noticed it. Bitcoin is on the rise again, and no, you don't need to open a crypto wallet or memorize blockchain codes to get in on the action. Today, I'm breaking down the crypto ETFs that are gaining traction and how you can ride the wave even if you're brand new to investing. Why Bitcoin is gaining attention today. Today, Bitcoin surged above key resistance levels, riding on fresh optimism about US ETF flows, institutional demand, and possibly even Fed policy signals pointing toward more liquidity. The market is reacting, and ETF investors are joining in without the stress of owning crypto directly. What's a crypto ETF and why should you care? A crypto ETF, or exchange-traded fund, lets you invest in crypto-related assets through the regular stock market. No passwords, no cold wallets, no hacking risks. Just simple exposure to the world of Bitcoin and blockchain. And when Bitcoin rises, certain ETFs move even faster. The 3 Bitcoin crypto ETFs you should watch today. 1. BITO ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. This was the first US approved Bitcoin futures ETF. It's getting volume today because institutional traders are betting big again. BITO gives you easy access to Bitcoin's upside through regulated futures contracts. 2. IBIT or iShares Bitcoin Trust Spot ETF. This is one of the newer players, a spot Bitcoin ETF backed by actual Bitcoin holdings. It's quickly gaining trust among long-term investors. Why? Because it gives you direct price exposure without the complexity of owning Bitcoin yourself. 3. WGMI, Valkyrie Bitcoin Miners ETF. Here's a high growth pick. WGMI invests in companies that mine Bitcoin. Think of it as the picks and shovels strategy during a gold rush. When Bitcoin goes up, these miners can skyrocket in value. High risk, high reward. So which one should you choose? If you're new and cautious, BITO or IBIT are great first steps. If you're a little more adventurous and believe in the growth of the whole crypto ecosystem, WGMI adds some firepower to your portfolio. And remember, these ETFs trade just like regular stocks. You can buy and sell them with a few taps on your phone. So yes, you can invest in the future of money without diving into the crypto deep end. Start simple, stay consistent, and always invest with purpose. I'm Jovi, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more smart takes on ETFs and market moves you can actually use. See you in the next one. So yes, you can invest in the future of money without diving into the crypto deep end. Start simple, stay consistent, and always invest with purpose. If this video helped you understand crypto ETFs a little better, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you haven't yet, subscribe for more straight to the point investing content, especially if you're building your financial future one ETF at a time. And hey, if you're still wondering how to actually invest in ETFs or what platforms and strategies beginners can use, I've put together an ebook just for you. It's called Building Your Monthly Cash Flow, and it's linked right below in the comments and description. Thousands of new investors are already using it to take their first confident steps. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.